Hi there, Norbert here with another episode of the Pro Tools Video Dictionary. In this episode, you'll learn about the alternate edit tools. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. And if you want to stay in the loop about my latest tips and tricks, please subscribe to my newsletter after watching this video. Now, let's go. Pro Tools offers alternate edit tools for the zoomer, for the trimmer, the grabber, and for the pencil tool. Let's have a look at each of them. Starting with the zoomer. If you're in the normal zoom mode, then you zoom in and out various times while you're clicking. And if you want to go back to any other edit tool, you have to reselect a different edit tool. In single zoom mode, Pro Tools returns to the previous selected edit tool after one zoom operation. Now this can come in quite handy. Let's have a look at the trimmer. The standard trimmer simply reveals or hides material at the end or at the start of the clip. But you have other options. The time compression expansion or TCE trimmer, instead of revealing or hiding material, applies a time compression expansion algorithm and thus leaves your clip shorter or longer. It plays faster or it plays back slower. Next up is the scrub trimmer, which is a combination of the trim tool with the scrub tool. So basically, whenever you're doing a trim, you hear what you're doing. Last but not least, if you're working quite a lot with loop, this can be really interesting. It's the loop trimmer. And as the name says, it creates loops easily. And these loops can later be modified if you want with the loop clip command. Now let's go to the grabber. The default grabber tool is the time grabber, which makes a continuous selection between the first and last clip on a track. Now, if you want to make a non-continuous selection, the object grabber will come in handy because it enables you to do just that. Last but not least, the separation grabber enables you to quickly select a part of the clip and drag it somewhere else without previously invoking the separate clip command. The different pencil modes give you various line shapes when drawing automation or tempo changes. Note that for the triangle, the square, and the random pencil tools, you have to select the periodicity with the grid value. Here's an interesting one. The freehand and the line pencil are available for automation and tempo changes. The triangular, square, and random pencil are only available for automation, and the parabolic and S-curve shapes are only available for tempo changes. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Here's a question for you. Which other Pro Tools functions would you like me to cover in future videos? Please let me know down in the comments. Now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and share with your friends. And if you're really interested in more tips about Pro Tools and audio production, subscribe to my newsletter right now. See you soon. Don't forget to make some noise.